The Fibre Art Network is a collective of professional fibre artists from across Western Canada, also known as FAN. Each year, FAN mounts a new gallery exhibit. These curated exhibits are designed to be presented in art galleries and are available to travel to venues across Canada for a period of 3 years. The group is committed to promoting fibre as an art form and each other as artists. Threads of Hope is an inspiring collection of fibre art that explores hope, longing, and desire for the future of the world. Do you long for a peaceful, harmonious society and a healthy earth? Do you desire reconciliation, forgiveness, unity, healing, and balance? Do you hope for positive solutions to any of today's issues? Some of the issues addressed include peace, security, ecology and global warming, scientific advances, and the future of our world. In their work for this exhibit, FAN artists express world issues that are meaningful to them. The art pieces flow from one to the other with a red thread of hope connecting them, thus completing a line of artists joining forces to improve our world. Each textile or fibre art piece is 18 by 36 inches in a portrait orientation, and the exhibition represents the work of 55 artists. Threads of Hope is available for booking through May 2023. If you're interested in booking an exhibit, contact the FAN venue coordinator at fibreartnetwork.venue@gmail.com.